Welcome to Nikki and SV channel. Today we're gonna talk about Marina Mall. This is a cycle. It has a screen fighting with a monster. It's so fun. Look. When we drive here, it drives there. Look. I am pedaling the cycle. My sister is at the back. This is a gun shoot. Shoot the monkeys. We need to aim at the monkeys. The monkeys will hide too. This is a car race. Look at the screen. I will show you the screen now. Wait. 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 Wait a little bit more. This is the front. I will not show the screen. Now we'll show the screen. Wait. Just wait. Wait. That's the screen. This is a horse race. Tap the button to jump. When we pull that side, it will go. It will turn that side. When we pull this side, it will go that side. Jump. How fast is going? I am in 10th place, 11th place now, 10th place, 9th place, 10th place, 11th place. Tenth place. 11th place. 11th place. 10th place. 10th place. 11th place. Look at my sister going this way, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. I am in 3rd place. 11th. Now only my sister drives the horse. It stopped now. This is a water shoot. We were shooting the real water on the screen. The screen waterproof. We need to attack the dinosaurs. That's the in that side, that's the real blaster. This is a dinosaur blaster. I am using the full power. My sister ran out of water. That's a ball shoot. We need to shoot the dinosaurs. We got there for 2021. That was free day. All the kids need to enjoy. That's why they let them. They let us. Go 2022 there. Okay. This is when we turn the wheel, it's turn the gears and the toys will turn inside. Look how fun it is. The cows are turning. When we press the horn, it will not do like this key. When we press the horn, we need to say key. Next one whale will come. Just like this. When we turn the wheel, the gears will turn and the toys will turn. This is hockey. Don't put the round in the holes. Then you will get 1 point. If you put the round in the hole, who put the round in the hole, then they get 1 point. If my dad put the round in my hole, my dad get 1 point. If I put in my dad's hole, I got 1 point. I got 1 point. My dad, I got 2 points. My dad has 1 point. I got 1 point. 2 point. My dad got 1 point. I am going to win 0 points. This is a swing. It goes so high. I said we are not going to touch the ceiling, but it go higher and higher and touch the ceiling. This is a whale. It has a wheel on top. When you spin the wheel on top, inside the wheel will be some toys connected with the gear. The gears will spin, the toys will spin. when we spin the wheel on top, wheel on the bottom, the gears will spin, the tires will spin. I love the water blast. Very love. I don't love the normal water blast. I love the Dino water blast. The Dino water blast was so cool. It will light up, but we was shooting in the real screen, real water. If we shoot real water in the screen will be broken. But this screen. Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. This is the trampoline jump. We jumped on it. Bye bye. This is the end.